How can I test my HVAC system after a repair? You can test it by checking safe operation, airflow, temperature change, unusual sounds, and whether it completes a full heating or cooling cycle. Start by making sure the repair area is clear and that every access panel, filter, and vent is properly installed. Set the thermostat to a temperature that should turn the system on. Then wait several minutes for the equipment to start. For cooling, place a thermometer near a central supply vent and another near the return vent. Then compare the readings after about 15 minutes. A temperature difference of roughly 15 to 20 degrees Fahrenheit is often normal, although the correct range depends on the system and outdoor conditions. For heating, check that warm air comes from the vents and that the system stops when the thermostat reaches its setting. Listen for grinding, banging, buzzing, repeated clicking, or a burning smell, because these can point to loose parts, electrical trouble, or overheating. Also check outside to make sure the outdoor unit has clear space around it and that its fan runs smoothly when cooling is selected. One detail many people miss is watching the system through a complete cycle because a unit may seem fixed at startup but shut down early, restart repeatedly, or fail to drain moisture correctly. Do not judge performance only by the air coming from one vent, because a closed damper, blocked duct, or dirty filter can affect one room. Check several vents and replace a visibly dirty filter. Do not keep changing the thermostat quickly, since rapid adjustments can hide short cycling. Choose one setting and allow the system time to respond. Never remove electrical covers or bypass safety switches to investigate a problem, because stored electrical energy in moving parts can cause serious injury. Turn the system off and call a qualified technician instead. If water collects near the indoor unit, the system smells strongly of gas, or a carbon monoxide alarm sounds, shut it down. Leave the area when appropriate and seek professional help immediately. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app, Job It Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out, message you back, and offer their estimates.